How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending code. This issue usually happens because of cache problems, outdated versions of the app, or network restrictions. Don't worry, you can fix it with a few simple steps. First, press and hold the Telegram application on your phone. Then, tap on the info icon to open the app info. Here, tap on storage and cache. Now, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the problem. Once that's done, go back to your home screen. Now, open the Play Store. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Here, tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Then, tap on Updates Available and check if Telegram has an update. If it does, update the app to the latest version. If the problem still continues, go back to the Play Store and search for a VPN. Select any trusted VPN app from the list and install it. Sometimes Telegram codes don't arrive because of network restrictions, and a VPN helps bypass that. After installing, go back and restart your phone. Now open Telegram again and try requesting the code. It should work without any issues. And that's it. By clearing the cache, updating the app, and using a VPN, you can easily fix the problem of Telegram not sending the code. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.